everyone, welcome back to Concept Brunch with Ridhi, your one-stop destination for mastering math concepts step by step. Today we are diving into an exciting topic that forms the foundation of trigonometry, special angles. We will focus on angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree and using their trigonometric values to solve problem effortlessly. These angles are must know for every math student. So in this video, what we will do, first of all, quickly go cover the trigonometric values for the special angles, and you can see these are the values we have to use. Okay, so let's see the next 7 questions we are going to solve step by step together. Okay, finally, so these are the 7 questions. Okay, solving these will help you tackle simpler problems with confidence. Alright, let's get started. First, let's quickly recall the exact value of sine. That is, with 0, it's 0, 30, 1 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 60, root 3 by 2, or 90 is 1. If you don't remember, initially you can take the help of chart and slowly try to memorize it. Okay, this is our first question. Sine 60 we needed, cos 30 we needed, cos 60 and cos 30. Let's find out the value. If you don't remember, see the chart. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Just put it the value root 3 by 2. Cos 30. Cos 30 is again root 3 by 2. So times root 3 divide with the 2 plus cos 60. Cos 60 is what? 1 by 2. So just put the value 1 by 2 times sine 30. Again 1 by 2. Just put it here. Okay. And let's solve it now. Root 3 times root 3 is 3. Divide with the 4. Plus 1 times 1 is 1, divide with 2 times 2 is 4. So total it is 4 divided by 4 and that is equal 1 is the answer. Okay. This is our next question. In this question we have to find out these values. Okay. So let's evaluate it. Okay. Over here 5 times cos 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2 whole square. Plus 4 times secant 30, 2 over root 3. So 2 over root 3 whole square because the square is here, okay? Minus 1045 is 1, so 1 square, okay? Next in the denominator, sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 whole square. Let's solve it now. So here 5 times 1 divided with 4 plus 4 times 4 divided with 3 minus 1. And this is 1 divided with the 4 plus 3 divided with the 4. Okay. Let's solve it now. Over here, what is going to be? This is going to be 4 and this is 1 plus 3. Okay. Over here, this is going to be 5 divided with 4 and this is going to be 16 divided with 3 minus 1. This will cancel out. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So it doesn't matter with that. Okay. Let's do the another part. So other part is upper only, right? So upper part is 5 divided with the 4 plus 16 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay. Next, let's take an LCM for this. If you'll take an LCM, you will get the 12 as a LCM, right? So over here we can write as a 15 plus over here we can write 12 divided by 3, that is 4 times 16, that we can write 64 minus of 12. Okay. So 15 plus 64 minus 12 we can write as a 67 divided with the 12 is the final answer. Okay. The LHS equals RHS. Okay, let's take one by one. LHS. 1 minus sine 60 divided with cos 60, right? So let's put the value. 1 minus sine 60, that is root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay. Solve it now. Over here, if we'll take 2 as LCM, So it will be 2 minus root 3 divided with 1 by 2. So we can write as 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 times 2 divided with 1, correct? 2 we can cancel out. So it is 2 minus root 3, right? Next, solve the RHS. Okay, what is that? Tan 60. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 minus 1, and tan 60 again root 3 plus 1. Okay, so we have to rationalize it here, right? Over here, so we can rationalize the denominator, root 3 minus 1 divided with root 3 minus 1. I talked about the rationalization in my previous videos, so you can check it out there. So over here, after rationalization, we can write root 3 whole square minus 1 square, and over here this will be root 3 minus 1 whole square. Okay, now here we can write as a root 3 whole square minus 2 times root 3 times 1 plus 1 square divided with 3 minus 1. Okay, next, so we can write 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 divided with 2, correct? Next, we can write from here 3 plus 1, like terms, it will be added, it will become 4 minus 2 root 3 divided with the 2. What is the common part here? 2, right? So we can take common and we can remove it. So remaining is 2 minus root 3, and this is your RHS. Now check with that. See, if we compare with the LHS, they both are same. So hence we proved it. Okay. There is a proof for the LHS and the RHS. Okay. In the LHS means left hand side. Okay. Sine A minus B. Okay. Just put the value of A and B from here. So it will be sine 60 minus 30. It's going to be sine 30 only, correct? And sine 30 degree is half. Okay. The RHS. Let's take the RHS. Sine A times cos B. So sine A is what? 60 degree times cos B, that is 30 degree, minus cos 60 degree times sine 30 degree. Okay, sine 60 root 3 by 2 times cos sine 60 degree, that is root 3 by 2. Cos 30, that is root 3 by 2, minus cos 60, that is 1 by 2, and sine 30, that is 1 by 2 again. Okay, so root 3 times root 3 is 3, divide with the 4, minus 1 divide with 4. So we can write 3 minus 1 divide with the 4, that is 1 by 2. So from here we can say, yes, LHS is equal to RHS. We have proved it. Okay. Given that in the adjoining figure ABC, right angle at B. So let it be B. Okay. And ABC. Angle A is 30 degree. BC is 6 centimeter. AB and AC we have to find it. Okay, so we have to understand about the opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So before the 90 degree we can say this is as a hypotenuse, correct? Before the angle we can say this as a opposite, and the remaining one is the adjacent. So basically in this question we have to find out the adjacent and hypotenuse. So apply the sine 30 degree, because why? In sine 30 degree, sine theta is what? Opposite divide with hypotenuse, correct? Sine 30 is what? Half. So just put the value half equals opposite. Opposite is what? 6. Hypotenuse is what? AC, correct? So from here we can do the cross multiplication and we can say the AC equals 12 centimeter. We got the second answer right from here. Now let's move to the next part. Now we know the hypotenuse, so we can apply the tan, or we can apply even the tan also. Anything is okay. Okay, so let's apply the tan. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite divide with adjacent, right? Sine 30. Sine 30 is what? 1 over root 3. So 1 over root 3 equals, opposite is what? 6. And adjacent is what? Basically AB. Again, we can apply the cross multiplication here and we can find out the value. AB is going to be 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay. This question looks tricky, right? Even this is, we can say it's a tough question. Okay. So let's solve it. In this question, we are going to apply one trigonometric identity. What is that? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals 1, which I'm going to explain in the trigonometric identity. X square minus 1 over x square value, right? So, and for the cosec, 3x is the value, correct? Okay. So, if this is 3x, suppose cosec is given, right? Whole square, what you will get the value? That is 9x square. It means somewhere it should be 9x squared. So how to make 3 as a 9? We can multiply with a 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. But we can't write automatically 3 here, right? So we have to balance it with 3, correct? Is that okay? And this one we can write as it is, no change, correct? So this is the only trick we have to understand here. Now, let's take the 9 inside. What is the remaining? 3. This is 9x squared minus 9 divided with x squared. Okay. Okay. Now here I'm going to apply the one basic x whole square minus 3 by x whole square. These are the basic things, the factorization, right? Let's put all the value. 1 by 3. Now 3x. See, the question in the itself is given. 3x is cosec x, right? So it is cosec square theta minus 3 by x value is cot theta, right? So cot square theta, and with the identities we know cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So put all this value. So 1 by 3 times of 1, right? So we can write as answer 1 over 3. Okay. But this is not last. I'll discuss one more question which I asked you in the previous video, right? So first solve this one, then we'll go to that one. Okay. Okay. Because you'll get an idea how to solve that question. Okay. So let's start it. So what is given for us? Sine theta times tan phi theta equal 1. Okay. So from here, can we write like this? Tan phi theta equals 1 over tan theta, correct? 1 over tan theta is, we can write as a cot theta, correct? And cot theta we can write as a tan 90 minus theta, correct? It's a complementary angle. I'll discuss later. So from here we can compare them, right? So from here we can write 5 theta is equal to 90 minus theta. So phi theta plus theta, we can transfer this side, right? So it will be plus theta is 90. Phi theta plus theta is 6 theta, that is 90. So theta is going to be what? 90 divided with 6, correct? What we can write from here, we can divide with the 3. So this is going to be 30, this is going to be 2, and this is going to be 15 degree, correct? So theta we got it as a 15 degree, right? What we have to find? Basically we have to find sine 2 theta. So sine 2 theta is what? 15 degree, right? So from here we can write sine 30 degree, and sine 30 degree is half, and this is your answer. Okay. And 5 theta equal to 1, so you have to find out the value of the theta. Now you can easily solve it, right? 1 is the value of tan 45 degree, correct? And this side, this is tan 5 theta. Okay, so compare them. 5 theta is going to be 45 degree, and we can write theta as a 9 degree, right? That's it, is the answer. Great job everyone. We have successfully solved all the questions using the special angle values. So practice similar questions, okay, and strengthen your understanding. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question or doubts, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Concept Brunch with Ridhi for more maths lessons and problem solving sessions. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious. Bye bye.